Hello ladies, how are you doing today? Thank you for joining me here again on my channel. Today I'll be reviewing another hair company. This is Luvme Hair. So I had the confidence to purchase this hair based off of my friend's experience with the product. So she had bought a curly hair from Luvme and she used it for quite a while and the hair was still very good. So I decided to go ahead to also make my purchase. So I bought two types of wigs from them, and I will be reviewing based off of my first impression today. And also in this video I'll include an updated review of the product after I've used it for like 2-3 weeks. You know, that's how we do it. If you have not seen my WIGS hair review, I did the same in that video, so kindly check out the video in the description box below. So you know, all these reviews are very important in helping us make good buying decisions, so we don't waste our dollars. As for me, buying a WIGS hair was a bad decision that would never happen again. So I'm also hoping that by doing this review you guys also can be well informed, so that you don't waste your money, so that you don't make the wrong decision. So let's get into what we have in this box. And now I am on boxing. I don't know, do I need to take this off? I don't think I need to take this off. Okay, I think I just need to. Oh, okay. So ta-da! Let's see what we have in the box. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Ooh, can you see it? Okay, let's not waste time. So the first hair, so the two wigs I got were packaged in the same box. Talk about saving boxes and probably saving the planet. Yes, so we need to save the planet, reduce your carbon imprint, guys. So this is the first hair. So I'll leave the links to this hair and their prices in the description box below. You can check them out. And this is the first one. This one is a curly wig. I love curly hairs, guys. Oh, I love them so much. So I think this one is a water something. I don't know. I'll put the description on the screen. But it's a full frontal. As you guys can see, can you see the interior? It's a full frontal, and I think this is in length 16. This is in length 16. I think we need to take a tape rule to measure it. Give me a minute, guys. So now we're measuring the strand of the hair. Let's see if it is true to length. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Oh, this is 13 inches. Or is it 14 inches I bought? I'm not sure. I'll confirm. Okay, full stretch. Nah. Full stretch of this hair is 14 inches. Can you see it? It's hardly touching 15. It is hardly touching 15. This is 15. It is hardly touching 15. So it's majorly like 14.5. So test number 1, not passed. Smell, not bad. Factory smell, yes. And texture, let's check for texture. Not bad, but I think all of the texture and the rest will be confirmed when I start using it, because I feel like, based off of my experience with WIGS, when this hair come, they usually look very good at the start, but eventually you realize that you made a bad buying decision. But let's give this a benefit of doubt. After 2 weeks of usage, I'm going to go tell after 2 weeks or 3 weeks of usage, I'll come back to tell you how this hair has been in. But it's a really beautiful hair. What do you think, guys? Can you see it? Okay, so this is the first hair I bought. Now let's open the second hair. This one is a fringe wig, I believe. It's a short bob fringe wig, I believe, if I have not forgotten. And so this is it. Ouch. This hair is so in disarray. So this is the hair. I think I need to straighten it again. I'll try it on. I'll wear this and I'll insert the clip so you guys can see what it looks like. But this is the hair. I still need to do some work on it. I need to straighten and then turn it in. Let me confirm the length. The length is not there. It's just top bob wig with bangs, natural black 1B. Okay, so this is the second hair. But I'm not sure I would try the 2 wigs before I give an updated review, because I might not use this for a while. But I think I'll go try the curly wigs first, and I'll give an updated review in this video, so watch out for that. So something else that we have in the box is this. Something else that came in the box is this. Let's see what is in there. Okay, so I guess this is the silk. Oh, what's this? This is a silk scarf to hold down the frontal, and it has "Love Me" printed on it. Oh, okay, so we have this brush. It's a brush and a comb. Focus. Okay, and I have this here as well. What's this? Let me open it up. So this is a mirror, a piece of mirror. Oh, nice. Oh, but I don't like this mirror. I look so exaggerated in this mirror. Why does this mirror look like a microscope? I don't like it at all. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. Okay, so that's about everything that's in the box right now, except for this. Oh, okay, so we have this as well. We have this wig cap as usual, 2 pieces, and we have a manual in it, return and refund, everything you need to know here in it. And we have, what's this? Oh, I have code. So I have this gift card. It's valid for 3 months. Nice. And it has information about membership privileges. All right, let me not waste your time, guys. So next time I'll be doing an updated review of Luvme Hair. Catch ya later. Guys, so welcome to the part where I give you an updated review about this Luvme hair. So this is the curly one. I've not worn the other one, that's the fringe wig, but this one I've been wearing it now for about 3 weeks. Yes, I believe, yeah. And so what do I think? So the comment I had, the hair sheds. Yeah, every time you brush it, it sheds, it drops small amount, as right now you can see. Just running my hands through it, I can pick out hairs. But the thing is, as I comb it out more, it becomes more voluminous. So the only way I maintain it right now is just adding water and brushing it out. Sometimes I don't brush out, I just run my fingers through it. And what else? So it tangles actually until you add water or a detangling spray to separate it. But other than that, I think the hair is good. It doesn't smell badly, doesn't have a bad smell at all. And yeah, so I think for the money, actually maybe it's not bad. I feel like I would still be able to reuse this hair after now. So it's something that you just have to maintain with water. As much as you put water, brush it out, it will still look good. As you guys can see, it will still look good as much as you want it to. Maybe use it for like 3-4 months or even 6 months. I believe I can be able to use it for like 6 months, 1 year, as much as I want to. Yeah, but would I be patronizing Luvme hair again? Maybe for an affordable wig. I think for a very affordable wig, I might patronize them. But if the wig is expensive, I'm not sure with this experience that I have enough trust to go with them. Yes, so that is my feedback. I've not used the other wig, that's the fringe wig, at all, so I cannot say so much about it. When I use it, I'll probably update you guys on my Instagram stories, so kindly follow me on Instagram. The link will be on the screen so that you can get updated about all of this. So this is my review of Luvme hair. So far I think it's not bad. It doesn't have an awful smell, and I just love the curls. Actually, this is one thing I love. I love the volume of the curls. I love it so much. So this is my win from this hair. Actually, the volume of the curls is something that I love so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If there's any other brand you would love me to review, please let me know in the comment section below. And you know, when I come across the good brands that you need to patronize, I'll let you guys know as well. Yeah.